Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm just going to be doing like a little bit of a quick unboxing of the new lighters that I bought from Amazon. It's called Zippo, and I believe I bought this for $7 something, and they only allowed you to buy 4 of them, and it just arrived here today. And this is the package how it comes in. So it has a little plastic wrap around it. So I unwrapped one of them, and let's open it and see what's inside and where is it made from. The reason that I bought this is because I have relatives in back in my country. They always wanted a lighter, and especially made in the USA. And I think this is going to be a perfect gift. That's why I wanted to buy more, but however, Amazon restricted only to 4 per account. So let's see. This is the 218 regular black mate. Okay, so hopefully this is going to be made in the USA. If not, I'm going to have to return it. Okay. So I believe they have like different colors, but this was the only color that was on sale for about $7 something. So the other ones I think like maybe 17. What's inside? So off the back, when you flip around, it says Zippo here, and you can see read in there's a genuine Zippo windproof lighter. Okay. So pretty nice. Okay, and this is the says off the back again, made in the USA. We can open it, and underneath the box it says, "Congratulations on your purchase of this quality Zippo product. For great tips and hints on the care of your new lighter, visit zippo.com/care." Okay, and this is it. This is the color right here. And as you can see here on the very bottom, it says that it's made in the USA, and it has a number 20 to it on top of the USA. So I don't know if they keep track of the numbers they produce. Let me see. Let me take this off. I want to rip it because I want to put it back. There you go. I don't know if they have fluid inside already. Let's try it. I guess it doesn't come with fluid. So if I want to use this one, I gotta buy lighter fluid from Amazon. But if it's heavy, it's kind of for the lighter size. It's heavy, but I think it's expected because the quality of it. Okay, so. That's pretty much like, I think for $7 this would be a perfect gift, because a lot of people in other countries, they love this type of lighter. Even I myself, holding this one and put it in my pocket. I don't smoke, but it feels good, and that the fact that you always have light in your pocket, which is good. So that's pretty much it for this unboxing. So if you guys have any questions, or if you're concerned whether it's made in the USA or not, this is, in fact, it is made in the USA. So I'm going to try to go back on to Amazon to see if they allow me to buy a couple more. Okay. But other than that, take care, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.